Hey artists, welcome back. Today, we're gonna draw Rumi from Kpop Demon Hunter in a demon style, step by step. Take your pencil, relax your hand, and let's build this drawing from the basics. First, let's start with a short presentation. Rumi has a strong demon vibe, sharp features, and a confident expression. We'll build everything slowly, starting with guides, so don't rush. Now, we draw the guidelines. Using a pencil, draw a vertical line in the center of the page. Then, add a horizontal line across the face area. These guidelines help us keep everything balanced and symmetrical. Next, we create the eye space. On the horizontal guideline, draw two square shapes. These squares mark where the eyes will go. Keep them light and even on both sides. Now, we draw the eyes. Start with the left eye first. Draw it open, sharp, and expressive. Then draw the right eye closed, like a confident wink. This contrast gives Rumi a lot of personality. Next, we draw the nose, then the mouth, and then shape the face. The nose is small and centered. The mouth is subtle, slightly curved. Now use smooth lines to define the jaw and chin. Keep the face clean and strong. Now we add the ears, and then the eyebrows. Place the ears aligned with the eyes. The eyebrows are important. Make them bold and angled to enhance the demon attitude. Next, we draw the hair guide. Using a pencil, draw a circle on top of the head. This circle helps us control the volume and direction of the hair later. Now, we move to the torso guides. Draw simple lines to indicate the neck, shoulders, and upper body. These are just guides, so keep everything light. Next, we draw the torso. Use confident lines to shape the shoulders and chest. Keep the proportions stylized and clean. Now it's time for the hair. Follow the guide circle and start drawing the hair strands. Let the hair flow naturally, with sharp and dynamic shapes to match the demon style. At minute 6:30, we add the guidelines for the demon marks. Lightly sketch where the marks will go on the face and body. These guides help place the details correctly before inking. And finally, the final result. Erase all the guidelines drawn with pencil. Clean up the line art and strengthen the final lines. Rumi should now look powerful, confident, and full of demon energy. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to give this video a like, because that really helps me a lot. And subscribe if you want to see more step-by-step drawings like this. Now tell me in the comments, which character do you want me to draw next? Keep drawing, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.